welcome to my channel. So today I want to be making slime as my first video. So I'll just go and get all my ingredients and I'll be right back. Now I have all my ingredients and I have 3 different types of paint because I want to make one nice colour, a container, and I'll be using this as a bowl, shaving foam, 2 glues as I don't have much of one of them, and if you are in England, which I am right now, you would like to use Optrex eye wash, but I got this from Poland and it's the same thing, but just Polish. So right now I'm just pouring the glue in and I'll be back when I finish with the white glue. This is all I managed to get in. So I'm just going to pour in the clear glue. So cool. Now I have both of the glues in, so let's mix them. Now it's all mixed, so let's add the shaving cream and then the colour. That will be good. This looks very fluffy. First I'm going to add a drop of yellow. Next, a little bit of red. Now it's time for the pink. My colour is done. Time to activate. And now I'm just going to mix it in my hands. And I love the feeling, and I'll see when it's mixed. Here is the slime. I love the colour. Thank you guys so much for surviving my first video with me, and I know it's tragic, but I didn't record for a year. I used to have an account which was Kaja and her hamster, but I just didn't like it anymore, so I decided to start a new one, but I don't think it really worked. Bye!